What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? If you can't tell by the video title, today we're not really talking about what bike GhostNinja is getting. Of course, we like what she gets, we want to know what she's getting, but we have a surprise for her. So today we're taking her on her very first time ever riding the motorcycle on her own. I'm a little nervous about this. I can't wait to see her reaction. I haven't told her. We're gonna pull up and it's all gonna be a surprise to her. So with that said, I know there's a lot of new subscribers out there. I appreciate it. I thank each and every one of you for hitting that subscribe button. If you're new to the channel and you haven't hit that subscribe button, don't forget to hit it. We do all kinds of stuff on this channel, from bike reviews, going out to get food, group rides, vlogs, family stuff, all kinds of stuff. I'm sure you'll enjoy it, so don't forget to hit that like button. And check me out on Instagram, right here, GhostNinja SD. Do all kinds of stuff over there, all the behind the scenes. And my dog's making all kinds of noises, drinking water. So with that said, might as well just get into this video. Peace.
I have a carrot. What can we do with a carrot? I think this guy really wants a carrot. Oh, no. You gotta fight for it.
Here. He said she's not giving it.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today, we are having a little bit of fun. We got goats. Come here.
Oh!
He stole it from you.
He chomped it.
The ghosts like carrots. We are out with GhostNinja.
What's up, people?
We're gonna go out, have a little ride, have a little bit of fun, talk about stuff and things. Today, we are actually talking about her first bike.
Me.
Yeah. You might not want to get stuck up there. Anyways, we've been talking about a car, a bike, how far she has to commute, what for school, for work, all this other stuff, and we're kind of deciding, she's kind of deciding that she might just start with a bike. So we're gonna talk about what bike, all that good stuff, what needs to happen for that to happen, and yeah, let's go. Camel, come here. Where are you going, Camel?
What if I hold a stick?
I don't think he likes sticks. That is a big... He's gonna spit at you.
You want a stick?
We got flabby lips.
Yeah.
Anyways, like we said, GhostNinja here is thinking about getting a bike. What bike you think about getting?
I kinda wanna get a KTM 390.
A KTM 390 as a first bike. If y'all don't know, that's the bike the Bash rides, or the one I test rode or stole, or whatever you want to call it.
Well, he gave you permission to steal it.
He did. It was a nice little bike. I think that's a great bike to start on for sure. It's not too much power, but it has more power than like a 250.
It has more power than a Grom, so I can still go on rides with you guys.
Exactly. I am curious if we can get in here. I took pictures here last time.
You did?
I did. I want to see if we get kicked out. I don't think so. It's a church. Why would they kick us out?
We're on a motorcycle.
This is where I came to take pictures of the bike when I got the exhaust installed.
Oh.
Yeah. It's a big old parking lot. This will be a good picture right here. Here, let's take a picture. What about, let's see, lift your visor. What about you ride it?
You're not serious, are you?
Yeah, that's why we're here.
Are you serious?
Yeah, so the video isn't about what bike you're getting. The video is about you riding a bike for the first time.
You're joking?
No, I'm not joking.
No. I thought Mom had to ride it first.
She wasn't like happy, but she wasn't upset, so.
She wasn't upset. I feel like you're lying.
So you're gonna ride it?
Well, you have to teach me.
Oh yeah. What do you think?
My eyes are a little watery.
Oh. What's going on there?
I don't know. Oh.
Let me see. Oh, look at that. What's going on? The truth has been revealed. We ain't talking about what bike she's getting, although she is going to plan on getting that bike. But I figured today would be a cool day to show her how to ride a little bit. Of course, she is going to take the MSF course. This is just more about getting her on a bike and letting her feel what it's about.
At least knowing a little bit.
Yeah, but I thought it'd be kind of cool to do. So what do you think? All right. First things first. What's what? Let's see if you know it.
The brake.
Mm-hmm.
And then that was the clutch.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. And then this side is the throttle, right?
Oh, yes.
And then you have the back brake.
Mm-hmm.
Am I missing?
What's this?
The shifter?
The shifter. High five. I didn't even have to tell you. All right.
I was like, I know the parts of the bike.
First things first, what we're going to do is really just talk about a couple things here. One is, while you're riding it, if you ever get into a point where you get scared, you pull in the clutch.
Pull in the clutch.
Pull in the clutch, because this is going to stop you from moving forward. It's not going to stop you, but it'll keep you from gunning off into the distance.
Into a tree.
Into a tree.
Or into that dirt.
And becoming a viral video. Gears are first. So it's first, neutral, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth.
Mm-hmm.
So first is all the way at the bottom. So to get in first,
So you would push down.
push
right?
down. And then push up a little, goes into neutral. And then just push up. And then that'll go into second. So I don't know if we're going to go into second. We'll see. But
Rather not.
But what you do is, to do it, you got to pull the clutch in. Yeah, you pull the clutch in, and then you do...
And then you push it down?
And then you push it down. Right, so go ahead and turn it on. Hand on the brake. Clutch in.
Mm-hmm.
And when you put it in first, don't just let go of the clutch. You can't do
let
that.
it out slowly.
You gotta let it out slowly. So that's what we're gonna work on. What we're gonna do is, you're gonna put it in first in a second, and then you're just gonna slowly let the clutch out until you feel it engage. When you feel it engage, the bike will slowly start going forward. And you just go like maybe a foot, and then pull the clutch in. And then do it again. Don't lift your feet up right now. All you're trying to do is get a feel into where the clutch engages. So, go ahead and let go of the brake. Keep the clutch in. Is it all the way in? And push it down. Okay, remember, clutch.
It's in. It's in.
If you have emergency, you pull the clutch, okay?
The Jesus Christ moment?
The
when you
Jesus
pull
Christ
back?
moment, yeah. Okay,
I didn't push it down yet.
go ahead. Keep the clutch in.
It's in.
Now, lightly let the clutch out, little by little, and you'll feel it engage, and it'll start kind of moving forward. That's all we want.
Like that?
Yep, now pull the clutch in. There you go. So you see where it engages?
Mm-hmm.
Do it again. Till you get comfortable.
That's so weird.
Alright, go ahead and do it again, and then try to let it go a little longer. Let it open a little bit more, and let it kind of go. Let it go. Just keep going. Same thing.
All the way back over there?
Yeah, let's see if you can do it. Just kind of, I'm not trying to rush you, so if you're not comfortable going all at once, go slowly, do little by little, that's fine.
Okay.
Now you're in first, you gotta go up. There you go.
Oh.
Now you can let go of the clutch.
Mm-hmm.
You can put the kickstand down. Nope.
Here?
You hit it in first.
Oops.
The kickstand is not there.
Right here. This one. Right?
Yeah, yeah.
The little one? How do you get to
Grab it from the back.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Oh.
There you go. Alright, let's do that again. Kind of go straight. Clutch. Let it go. Pick your feet up a little bit once you start moving. If you get scared, pull the clutch in and slowly do the brake. You'll be fine. If you don't lift your feet up, you're gonna fall and let them lift them up off the ground a bit. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Good, good. There you go. Good job. That's exactly what you want to do. Try that again. Clutch in, slowly touch the brake. Yeah, see, you're in control of the bike. As long as you manage these, you're in complete control of the bike. If you get scared, you pull the clutch in, you slowly grab the brake. Right? Once you start moving a little faster though, you got to pick your feet up a little because you're going to drag them and you're going to hurt your feet or you're going to fall. So once you start letting go of it a little bit, just, you don't have to put your feet on the pegs, but just lift them a little bit so that they're not on the ground. And then if you get scared, pull the clutch in, slowly do the brake, and bring your feet down. Keep your feet up. Look where you want to go.
I am.
Now slowly pull the clutch in, and slowly pull the brake in.
Oh. Oops.
It's alright, it's alright.
I'm sorry.
Alright, grab that side. No, over here.
Over here.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's alright. Ready? Go. Good job. We're good. That's what this is for. But you did good because you kept the clutch in. If you wouldn't have held that clutch, you would have been done. It would have been gone. So good job.
Okay.
You alright?
Yeah.
She fell a little bit. It's good. We got a Kate. I gotta give her thank you for being the first one to put her on the side. I should have taken a picture is what I should have done. Come on.
Well, you have it on video.
I do. Why did she fall? That's a good question. We should talk about that. So, why do you think you fell?
I think I got scared.
You got scared? I think you were going too fast, and your brain was like just getting too scared. You held the clutch in like you were supposed to do, but you let your feet drag when you shouldn't have. And when you were slowing down, you put your feet down and your feet started dragging behind you. And what you were doing is you're trying to keep your feet ahead, and that's why you couldn't get your foot. So when you slow down, like I said, you got to keep your feet kind of up a little bit so that they don't drag. And I think that's what happened. So I think she's all right. She did good. You want to go again?
No, not really.
You done? Okay. That's all right. So overall, how'd you do?
Decently good until I dropped it.
That's all right. You have fun?
Yeah.
All right, good. That was the whole purpose of having the cage. She got a little mark here, a little road rash. But other than that, I think she's good. We'll just go over with a gold marker.
I have one.
Yeah, we'll go over with a gold marker. Didn't scratch any of the fairings, but that was one of the reasons we got this, was so that you and your mom can learn. If you drop it, we don't ruin the bike, and that's okay. That's gonna happen. So you kind of learned from that, I hope.
Yes.
Yeah. You got a little idea why you fell?
Yeah.
Yeah. So next time, you just got to remember that, focus on that, and you'll be good. But I think you did good. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Glitter Ninja's first time riding.
Now hopefully people will stop voting.
And dropping a motorcycle. You best believe that's going on Instagram. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like, a comment, subscribe. If you remember your first time dropping a bike, your first time riding a bike, I'd love to hear your stories down below. I'm sure Glitter Ninja would love to read them.
Yeah.
Anything you want to say?
That was fun. And I'll keep practicing.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video again. And peace. We out.